What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about a cordless vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I've been using this one for the past couple of weeks and okay, I think this is something special. Actually, this one offers a very good performance, comes with a good battery life and offers very good value for money. Considering the price and performance, this one offers one of the best value for money among all the cordless vacuum cleaners that's available on the market within this price segment. Okay, we will start from unboxing, then we will go through the review. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please go ahead, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, support honest content. Okay, I know I have said that we will start from unboxing, but before we do the unboxing, let me tell you a few specifications, the interesting parts of this cordless vacuum cleaner. This is from Belife. The model number is S11. This one is Belife S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This one comes with 7 pieces of 2500 mAh batteries in its battery pack. That's massive, and well, this battery pack offers up to 50 minutes of usage time. This one has a 250 watt brushless motor. There are 3 different speed or suction level. There are 6 layers of high efficiency filter, and yeah, this one comes with a dock for wall mounting. Not only that, this one also comes with a 0.7 liter dustbin, which is very easy to clean. Yeah, it's really a very tough task to clean the dustbin of any vacuum cleaner because, you know, if you have used a vacuum cleaner, it's really a messy process. You will get your hand dirty. But this S11 cordless vacuum cleaner from Belife comes with a nice trick that actually keeps the hand clean and lets us clean the dustbin without any issue. Well, let's do the unboxing and then we'll check the performance. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this Belife S11 cordless vacuum cleaner comes with a 250 watt brushless motor, and there is a massive 17,500 mAh lithium polymer detachable battery pack. Yeah, we can detach the battery and then charge it, or we can keep the battery on alongside the motor, then we can charge it, or we can just dock this vacuum cleaner on its wall mount to recharge it. There are 3 different ways to recharge it. Cool. Also, the charging process actually takes less than 5 hours, so this one actually gets charged very fast, and we can use this one up to 4 or 5 times a day to its full potential if we want. I have also mentioned that there are 3 different speed levels. The first one is Eco mode. This one actually works at 10 kilopascal and goes for 50 minutes. The second one is Standard or Normal mode, which works at 15 kilopascal and goes for 30 minutes. The final one is Hyper mode. This one goes up to 23 kilopascal, which is, I think, overkill. Yeah, at 23 kilopascal, we can use this one for 15 minutes. So the battery life actually depends on which level you are using. This one can be used for 15 minutes up to 50 minutes. Actually, I have been using this one in normal mode, in the standard mode, and even at standard mode, as this one works at 15 kilopascal, this one offers a very strong suction power. This cordless vacuum cleaner at its standard mode actually can easily grab or capture all type of debris, dust, crumbs, pet hair, human hair, everything without any issue. Talking about hair, there is one thing I really hate, that sometimes hair gets tangled inside the vacuum cleaner, and it's very tough task to take out all the hairs from the vacuum cleaner. But a Belife S11 is different. This one comes with a V-shaped, wider and larger brush roller. So yeah, it's very difficult for hair to get tangled inside. And this one also has a unique comb tooth design. So that one can actually cut the hair, so the long hair won't get tangled and it will actually become into pieces, so the vacuum cleaner can suck it into the dustbin. Moreover, this Belife S11 cordless vacuum cleaner comes with an upgraded floor brush equipped with a special design along the edge. This actually helps this vacuum cleaner to vacuum dirt and dust along the wall and corners effectively. You know what, this one also comes with a lamp, so this one can lit up the dark spaces or dark corners. So yeah, we can clean every part and we can check any floors or corners, the dark corners, with the provided lamp that comes with this cordless vacuum cleaner. It's really a nice touch. This S11 cordless vacuum cleaner from Belife comes with a different attachments, like we can select whether we want to use the crevice tool. We can select the equipment that we need for the specific task. Like if you want to clean your bed, then definitely you can use this wide mouth mattress nozzle, because this one is designed to clean bed linen and bedding, and there is a stiff nylon bristle suction head which is ideal for sludge. If you want to clean the corners or if you want to do heavy cleaning, then definitely you can use retractable tube along with a crevice tool. And if you want to clean the hardwood floor, then definitely there is another equipment. This one also works on sofa, window sills, bookcases. This one can even also be used on a car. Okay, before we wrap up, there are some other things I need to mention, like how to clean this Belife S11 cordless vacuum cleaner. It's actually very easy. Let me show you. This one comes with one-click dust dumping function, so to release the garbage, we don't have to squat down and open the dust cup with both hands. Just press the release button on the dust cup to open the lid and dump all the trash. There are two filters, one is on the top and another is at the bottom. Both the filters are washable and it's also very easy to take out the filters. Well, if you wash the filters, then you have to make sure that the filters are dry before you use them again. Also, Belife recommends that we need to clean the dustbin after we use this S11 cordless vacuum cleaner. Finally, this one comes with the LCD panel, and on this LCD panel we can check a few things. The most important and interesting thing is this one comes with a unique error alert system. If the icon is flashing or if there is any error message or error notification, everything is given inside the user manual. Just check the user manual, and it's also nice that the support staff of Belife is very friendly, and they also offers a very nice warranty. Well, that's all about this Belife S11 cordless vacuum cleaner. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. If you are interested, then go ahead, check the product. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.